What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Anli and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And on today's video I will show you the step-by-step instruction how you can find out the real emails of congressional staffers, and I will show you how we can send them letters. On top of that, I will show you a couple of blueprints of these letters that we have to send them in order to their Congress members sign the letter, the bipartisan open letter. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It is the easiest way how we can push this video forward to the broader audience, and eventually it will help us to win this battle. So, before we dive deep into the step-by-step instruction itself, let me show you this very important tweet. In my opinion, Charles V. Payne, and definitely you know who this person is, he published this tweet, and moreover he pinned this tweet just 13 hours ago. And the original tweet that was written by Busy Brands is following. It is, let me show you more thoroughly. It is basically a letter to the Congress members with the call to action, basically with the description of our entire situation, the description of our current status, and the call to action. What should they do in order to help us? And here is the call to action itself. Please support the MMTLP community and many of your constituents by reviewing and signing the MMTLP open letter to protect investor property, transparency and confidence in the US equity markets. The MMTLP open letter can be viewed and signed on the Dear Colleague portal, or please contact Representative Ralph Norman's office. And he also added, thank you very much in advance for considering my request, and look forward to the opportunity of seeing your signatures on the open letter. And here is the list of representatives who can sign this letter. And definitely this repost by Charles V. Payne is very useful and very helpful for us at this very moment, because he has more than 900,000 followers, and they are very active followers who might be involved in the decision making on the entire US stock market. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published on MMTLPresources.com. Good news and bad news. And the good news is following. We have a new deadline to receive these signatures for the bipartisan open letter. And let me quote you that Dunk Savvy wrote this tweet. Deadline to sign the bipartisan open letter has been extended to close of business Thursday, December 21st. And this is very important because we have additional day, the entire day that we can contact, that we can use to contact to the Congress members, to Congress staffers, and we can force them, we can ask them to sign this letter. But the bad news, and I covered it in my yesterday's video, that the tool that was disclosed by Anna Trades, it doesn't work anymore. Let me quote you this. But bad news was also discovered on Tuesday, when the online tool that Anna just reported about was gutted from our use. The bill tracker web search that allowed us to get email addresses of staffers was abruptly shut down from delivering staffer emails soon after the community started using it. Patrick Keaveney reported he contacted the company and received this response. I called Karen Suhaka, owner and founder of BillTrack 50, earlier today to find out why she has decided to remove the Congress staffers' names and emails from her website. She stated her new vendor who provides her info requires you to be a paid subscriber. So it's a great timing, don't you think so? And that is why my yesterday's video is titled that someone is trying to stonewall our efforts to reach the Congress members, and that is why do whatever they can in order to push us backwards. But guys, Let me show you that we have a lot of paths how we can reach to these Congress members. And for example, Craig Dobbs sent the mails via fax, and he faxed 62 mails. And yesterday I showed you that you can even telegram to your Congress member's office. But for now, I have to say that in general, for now, we have at least 50 signatures already. And let me show you this tweet that was made by Due Diligence. MMTLP, make the push. This is it. Finish line approaching on this effort. Everyone has to dig. Call, email, tweet. I got 8 confirmed signs yesterday and 4 already today. Expecting more. So, from due diligence alone, we have 12 signatures that leads to at least 38 signatures already. On top of that, he gave this link to the blueprint of the letter, and you can find it on his Twitter account. And here you can see you have to basically change just several parts of this letter. You have to put the name of the Congress member, and here you can put the same name as well, and your name right here. And on top of that, let me show you that, for example, Dr. E also received a confirmation of 1 signature. And guys, I found quite interesting detail. Dr. E published the link with another blueprint of the letter. At the very bottom of the screen you can find it right here. And it is also a very useful letter. But here I found some interesting detail. All the staffers from Congress has the same blueprint of their emails. And here it is. The ending part of their emails is at mail.house.gov. And here how we can find all the emails of the staffers. If you try to search in Google search bar this soft edge, the very first link will be the website which is basically the softedge.com. If you click on it, you can find this website, and on your top right side you will see public resources, the tab folder public, which is public resources. If you click on it, you can see this page, and here you can browse by state, you can browse by street address or zip code. Let's click, for example, on California. Here you can see the names of the, for example, senators. And let's click right here, Alex Padilla. You can find the phone number, the fax number, and here you can see the staff members' names and surnames. And if you copy this name and surname and add it right here, and then you remove this space by a dot, here is the legit email address of David Montes. And here how you can find the real emails of the staff members of certain Congress member. And guys, I double checked this approach, and it works perfectly well. This means you can share this information through any possible social media that you have, and this will lead us to more exposure on the staff members of certain senators, and this leads to more signatures. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. Please share this information via your social medias, and this is how we can win this battle. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life.